Station Houston on 2, we're configured for audio via hardline and CST if you want to give us a call.
Okay, I'm in Starliner, and how do you read?
5x5, how many?
Yes, sir. Okay, I'm going to keep the mic up next to the speaker.
Copy.
Hear that?
At negative, Butch, we did not hear anything. All right, Butch, that one came through. It was kind of like a pulsing noise, almost like a sonar ping.
Yeah, I'll do it one more time, and I'll let y'all scratch your heads to see if you can figure out what's going on. Here we go.